Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and then type in Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button, which will add this game to your library. After this, you can click on the Play Now or the Play Game button, and then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. After clicking on the Install button, just wait until the installation process is completed, and once that is done, you can start enjoying the Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.